all kind of religious processions, political processions, political functions, religious functions, entertainment functions, entertainment processions, rallies, dharnas, protests of all forms are completely prohibited. There shall be a very intensive surveillance at the border of Kerala, Maharashtra, and Goa, as per the prevailing circular and guidelines issued by the government of Karnataka under our health department. So the remaining guidelines will be issued in a short while by the Honorable our Chief Secretary. So this decision we have taken in the wake of the kind of surge that we are witnessing, not only in the country, outside the country.
Sir, is state thinking towards the COVID lockdown? Because
See, I am not using lockdown here because we are not doing any lockdown. We are not controlling, or we are not trying to hurt the activities here. We are trying to avoid the conjugations. We are trying to inhibit the movement of the people, because we all know the pandemic or the virus moves along with the person. So it is directly proportional to the person's movement.
What is the infection rate and Omicron increasing?
See, as of today itself, we have seen a surge of 3.12%. So every 2-3 days we have a estimate of it doubling. So that is a very quick pace in which it can double. In the first and second waves, we have seen that it used to double once in 15 days and once in 8 to 10 days respectively. So this is been doubling once in 2 to 3 days. So there is a vertical growth of this pandemic variant. So we need to be utmost cautious and careful.